Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the XBERSTAR Replacement Battery Cartridges, a DIY 18650 battery solution designed for a wide range of applications, from solar power storage to portable electronics. Let's dive in. First, the build quality. The package includes a 12-volt battery box, a 3S40A BMS, 2 battery holders, and 4 welding nickel strips. The box is sturdy and well constructed, with a clear layout for installing the 18650 cells. The plastic feels durable, and the battery holders snap in securely, ensuring no loose connections. Now the key feature, the built-in BMS. This 3S40A BMS is a game changer. It protects against overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short circuits, which is crucial for safety, especially in DIY projects. I tested it by intentionally overdrawing current and triggering a short, and the BMS cut off power instantly, preventing any damage. That peace of mind is invaluable. Performance-wise, this battery pack delivers consistent 12 volts output. I used it to power an LED strip for several hours, and it held steady without flickering. The nickel strips are pre-welded, making it easy to connect the cells in series, and they are pure nickel, which ensures low resistance and efficient power flow. Versatility is where this kit shines. I've used it for solar-powered outdoor lighting, as a backup for my ham radio, and even to run a fish finder on my kayak. It also works great for powering a 12-volt router during outages and for RV camping trips. The options are endless. Installation is straightforward, but I recommend basic soldering skills. The instruction manual is clear, and there are plenty of online tutorials. Just ensure you use quality 18650 cells, like the ones from Samsung or LG, to get the best performance and lifespan. One thing to note, this is a battery holder kit, not a complete battery. You'll need to source your own 18650 cells, but that's an advantage because you can choose the capacity and quality. I use 3.7 volts 2500 mAh cells to create a 12 volt 2500 mAh pack. For longer runtime, use higher capacity cells. Overall, I'm impressed with the XBERSTAR battery cartridge. It's affordable, safe, and versatile. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a reliable backup power solution, this kit is a solid choice. I've been using it daily for 2 weeks, and it's performed flawlessly. In summary, the XBERSTAR replacement battery cartridges offer excellent protection, easy assembly, and broad compatibility. If you're looking to build your own 12-volt power source for solar projects, camping, or emergency use, I highly recommend this kit. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more product tests. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. That's all for today. Stay powered up, and I'll see you in the next video.